to the AC panel, which isn't super helpful now because you have a servo that's not back there, it's over there.
The one that's not connected and you're about to put a label on.
Yeah. And yeah, so all the spares are just tucked in back there. There is a white spare that was there already. I don't know exactly where that goes.
You haven't seen a white on the inside the AC or DC panel?
I've seen loads. That's the problem. There's a lot of them. So
Okay.
if you take one of your toners, you could tone it out. But I pulled 2 more spares over there.
To the AC panel or DC panel?
To your servo. So it's going to run up past the AC panel and then over to where the servo's located.
All right.
So if you needed it at the AC panel, you can just pull it back because you got plenty of spare there.
And then we have one for the Skyla.
Yep, the Skyla's cord is back there as well. Just grab one of those spares. That was the plan. Honestly, you could take this one, which runs to the AC panel, and put a jumper on it. Female, and then a 6-foot connection. Connect the Skyla, and then you've got one back behind the AC panel to connect to the Skyla controller.
So the one you just labeled here, is it labeled inside the AC panel as well?
I don't know. I don't know what it's labeled inside the AC panel.
But there's an unconnected one there somewhere?
Yeah, I know it runs to the AC panel.
Okay.
And the best way to track these things down is to grab one of your toners and just tone it out that way. Stick it on here, and then you'll take the magic wand and you'll find it.
Okay.
Yeah, and I don't know where these all go. I just usually have to figure it out along the way.
Okay. So we have one for the Skyla we're going to use. We have the daisy chain coming from the inverters going to the servo. And we had 4 more spares, you said, including the white spare?
You've got like 2 spares, yeah.
2 spares, and one of them is white.
Yep.
And it goes somewhere on the other side. We don't know.
The white one goes somewhere across. The one that I pulled comes up right next to your servo.
I thought you said we had 2 spares going to the servo.
I believe we're using... We can find out if we shut the DC system down over here, because they're all just tucked in right back there, and I don't really want to stick my hand in there.
That's fine.
But I know you've got at least... I know I pulled at least 1 spare all the way across.
Okay.
Plus enough to handle everything you've got, Ethernet-wise, VE-wise, and CAN-wise.
Okay. Now, next topic.